your local Weather Authority forecast.
It's a muggy morning across the region. Temperatures in the 50s and 60s. Some clouds out there, and a lot. Look at the tall city. We are seeing some low-level clouds. These really puffy low-level clouds indicate a lot of moisture in the air, but drier conditions later today. And as those conditions dry out, those winds will really start picking up. Near record high temperatures for today. Still hot conditions for tomorrow, but higher chances of storms are ahead. And speaking of those thunderstorms, we did see them yesterday afternoon just south and east of our viewing area. Quickly moved off to the south and east, not affecting us anymore, but still lingering clouds moving off to the south and east. So some morning clouds giving way to sunshine later today and drying out later in the day. But again, a muggy start and a mild start. 63 degrees, partly cloudy skies in the tall city. Dew point temperature 61 degrees. Whenever those actual temperatures and those dew point temperatures are close together, that indicates high humidity. That's what we're seeing. But again, drier conditions later today. And we combine that with stronger winds later today, extreme to critical fire weather conditions is what we may see later today. A fire weather warning in effect till 1 a.m. local time for a majority of the basin. And speaking of those winds gusting more than 60 miles per hour in the Guadalupe Mountains, where there's a high wind warning in effect till 8 p.m. local time. So yeah, a very warm day today and a very windy day in parts of the basin. We do notice that those winds right now are mostly from the south, especially in the eastern basin where it is a bit more humid, but switching from the westerly direction, winds gusting more than 40 miles per hour in the basin, 60 miles per hour in the higher elevations, sustained around 15 to 25 miles per hour. And then those winds switching back from the south overnight, so becoming a little bit more humid overnight, but still mild conditions. And yeah, very mild to start and very warm today, 96 degrees. That's my forecast high. Daily record high temperature was set back in 1964 at 93 degrees. I think it'll reach 96 degrees, so we're going to likely break a daily record high temperature here in the tall city as across the basin, widespread 90s, fairly close to the triple digits in the Trans-Pecos and the southern basin, upper 80s in the higher elevations, cooling back down tonight primarily in the 50s and 60s. Clear skies despite the humid conditions, low temperature at 65 degrees with those winds from the south at 10 to 20 miles per hour. As we head into tomorrow, another hot day, mid to upper 90s, low temperatures in the 60s, blowing dust, limiting visibility though at times with strong winds, so we still have to watch out for fire weather concerns, not only for today, but also for tomorrow. But becoming more humid as we head into Friday and Saturday, slightly cooler in the 80s and lower 90s, with higher chances of rainfall in the form of thunderstorms on Friday and Saturday, but cooling off on Sunday and by early next week.